In this tutorial, I will show you how to update existing table records for 4 different case in SQL Server. Please subscribe. Let's start. We use update statement in SQL to modify records that already exist in a table. In general syntax for update, it will look like this. First, we need to specify the table name followed by update statement, where the changes will be made. Then use set keyword to assign new values to specific column new value. And then we use where clauses as a filter to define the condition that must be made to change. Let's see, we have a database learning. Table name employees has 6 column. EMP_ID, first_name, last_name, salary, age, education. Update single values. So we want to update only single value here. So we need to change here the employee ID 102 values first name to James. Let's see how to do it. After update single values, first we need to write update. Table name employees. In the second line, write set and column name first name. New values James. And we need to put the filter condition where employee ID equal to 102 and then put semicolon. So select the update statement and then execute. So it says 1 row affected. Then see the table values by using select star statement and execute. Right now the employee ID 102 first name update with new values James. We can update multiple values in row. Right here under 103 employee ID. We want to change the first name from Liza to Pam and also her age from 25 to 26 as per requirement for update tables. After update multiple values. We need to change the first name here according to requirements. Pam. And then we need a comma and then we put age column. Value 26. And where clause value 103 and semicolon. Select the query and execute. So you see 1 rows affected here message appeared here and select star employee table to see the new updated table here. New updates values under 2 columns first name and age under employee ID 103 specific row. The first name is right now Pam and his age is 26. Update multiple row values. Before. After update multiple row values. Now we have a requirement to update multiple rows one single column education value update. EMP_ID 104 and 105 education from bachelor's to master's. Let's see how to do it. Update employees education set values equal to master's. Where employee ID condition for 2 rows. Employee ID with operator in. (104, then 105 close bracket). So select the query and execute so you see 2 rows are affected. Select from employees so you see 104 and 105 right now the education is master's degree. Update multiple. Row values increment. Before update the salary value. You can use update statement to make increment in salary columns. After update multiple. Row values increment. We will update 3 values into salary column easily here. Let's see how to do it. We need to use where condition for target rows. From the SQL Server Management Studio, we will see now how to increment salary values. So I need to write down update. Update. Table name employees. Set column name. Salary. Equal to 20% increment. $1.2. Multiply with salary column. Use where to filter employee IDs. In operator with 3 rows value 102, 103, and 104. So 3 rows are affected and to see the updated table, select star employees and execute. So 3 rows are affected and look how it's like. So you see values in salary column employee ID 102, 103, 104 has been updated successfully. So this way you can update this one. Warning: always use where to update specific rows, otherwise it will update same values in each row. Let's see. If you don't use the where clause here. So it's a very big mistakes. So I do how it's work execute, you see 5 rows affected. Select from employee. You see right now all the values for first name becomes James. So remember, the most important thing is you need to add where to filter and to update the exact row values. So if you like this video content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.